Hey, see, you let me down.
What?
You let me down with that.
That's on film. They're never going to let you back in.
There goes the sponsorship.
Yeah.
Mate.
How we've got to get your Zinger Box sponsorship.
Dude, if we got a Zinger Box sponsorship for Bettertotes and Gardens, that'd be sick.
Sorry. Welcome to Bettertotes and Gardens. Today we're not f***ing around with a chainsaw. We're doing a maintenance day. I'm here with our good mate Jacob. Not Yakov, because it keeps...
What?
Because you said you get sick of people calling you Yakov.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's Yakov. Man, Yakov in. We're doing a maintenance day, but we're going to start off before we get into the dirty maintenance, which involves fixing a dishwasher, fixing a toilet, a tap, and all that thing. We're going to give the pub a treat. Come on, Yakov, come behind the bar and we'll show them the dodgy setup we've got here. So this is where all the music gets through, the house music. This thing drives everyone wild because it just doesn't charge properly. I don't know how long it's been. It's a Lenovo something.
Freezes.
It freezes.
Crashes, Spotify crashes, yeah.
So what we're going to do today is we're going to rip all this apart. We're going to clean it. And then, because I'm such a, if anyone in personal life knows me, oh look at you with the camera like backing up. You're really good, aren't you?
Oh, I'm great.
Oh, brilliant. I'm a bit of a, I like looking at online auctions and looking for things that are way half price. We got this, Yamaha discontinued this music cast thing. So I got it for basically, I think it was like 60-something% off. Because they're obviously going to release a new one. And anyway, works with kind of everything. But what we're going to do is we're going to put that into the mixer, and then we're going to be able to run our all the music from the point of sale via Bluetooth, so we don't have to f around too much. And hopefully it'll stop all the, we don't know. Like, it could work, it could not, but that's what we're going to do.
Is it off? Before you start pulling things apart?
Well, it's on now.
The mixer above you though, the one up here.
Oh, that doesn't matter.
No?
No. Anyway, this is where we'll do the little quick, sexy ASMR bit. What do you reckon?
Yep.
How much do you reckon you can hold that?
Do we got a can of
oh, look at
air?
That. Man, you know what that means?
What?
Someone's not wiping down properly.
Ooh.
Have a can of what?
Of air? Compressed air to
Nope.
just spray out? No?
Nope. Anyway.
Grab the air blower for the old Ryobi air blower.
I don't think that'll work. No. And I can guarantee you some audio nerd's going to be watching this and they're going to go, hey, that's not the way you f***ing do it. Well, guess what? It is.
DIY channel.
That's right. It's just getting done. Should we go that far and do the old f***ing zip them up and zip them down to get it right in underneath? Is that going too far?
Oh, we may as well. Shall I grab the drill or do you want a screwdriver?
I'm not using the drill on this.
Impact driver. You like the impact driver, don't you?
I'm using that thing. No, we'll just clean it and then we'll see where we get at. We might undo the pots and we'll go up. Not sitting on our asses fucking making fucking, what do you call it? TikTokies. While we're at that.
TikTokies.
Subscribe to our TikTokie. And don't forget to, what's the other one they always want me to say?
Like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment and subscribe. It is good for the algorithm and it helps us pay to fix this fucking pub. Oh, yeah. What were you going to tell me?
I was going to say, now that I'm a poker guy,
yeah,
can I rent out the cellar to do underground tournaments?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Like pop a lock in, so we start at 11, we continue till 4 a.m.
Yeah, well, Crown Casino can do it.
Yeah.
Can't wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, done.
So if you ever hear and you hear noise from underneath the front bar,
nothing illegal going on at the tote.
you guys don't know anything.
That's right. Just keeping the history alive.
Yeah. Might not be able to tell in video properly, but the colour of that soda water is not the colour of the soda water when we first put it in.
Weren't we trying to bring back grotty?
Hey?
When we're talking about Bunnings, I said anyone say use the word.
I use the word grot. Does anyone use the word grot anymore?
Grot? Yeah, well there you go, that's a fucking grot.
Yeah.
We're gonna click off, we'll be back.
What'd you find?
I went and just, I didn't even, it took me like 3 seconds. We've actually got actual contact cleaner.
I said we'd have some.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Well, I knew we had it, I just didn't know where it was. Well, I did know where it was because it's the first place I looked. But it's for fast-acting, non-conductive cleaner. Penetrates quickly and leaves no residue. For use on electrical equipment, contacts, most plastics and rubbers.
Yeah. Yucky.
Anyway. We'll just do the... Oh no, I did it the wrong way there. I put way too much on. But now you can just do this, Jacob.
Smells good.
Hey, you wouldn't believe it. We're fucking glitter on the fucking camera.
Oh, there is.
Oh shit. Gaz is going to kill me.
So, Gaz,
I should kill myself. I fucking paid the money for the
Gaz can't fight, you'll be right.
But anyway, we're going to keep contact cleaning. Or Jake is going to keep contact cleaning. I'm going to keep playing with me little fucking...
Knobs.
I wasn't going to say that. Tell you what, cleaning these little fucking things is a pain. Jeez, I can't get over the glitter on the front of that lens. I'm going to get shot. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe so I can afford to go buy a new lens without glitter. So I did it again. Like, comment, subscribe. Get that quality content counter back on because that's some quality content.
Just showing Nan the bettertotes and gardens in the back of the car the other day.
What did Nan say?
Oh, that's lovely!
Thanks, Nan.
Thanks, Coralie.
I'm surprised you know how to use a toothbrush.
Mate, I had braces twice, so...
Oh, Jesus.
What?
That's just funny.
My poor parents had to pay braces twice, and not even because of me, because of the genetics in the family. My teeth were all f***ed up.
Teeth look pretty good now.
Yeah, because I have all my braces twice.
So, right, give us that big flashy smile you did before.
It's a nice day, so I'm eating my KFC outside.
It's a nice day, so you're eating it outside. You happy? Tender's box. Nothing but happiness. The poor dog gets nothing. You won't even share with the dog.
Don't call Gaz that.
Stop torturing the dog. What have you got there, Jacob? This is the big thing that
what
you
are they called? Cookie dough?
Yeah.
Deep fried cookie dough bites?
Go on.
Are they good?
I'm going to try one. Yeah, have one. Good catch.
Yeah.
You're not that special.
No.
Hey Ash, do you want a cookie dough bite?
They just taste like biscuits.
Yeah.
It looks like a chicken nugget.
It's chocolate nugget. Cookie dough nugget.
The poor dog gets nothing.
Yeah, a bit whatever.
Yeah.
A bit dry.
Yeah, it is really dry.
Yeah.
Undercooked, overcooked.
Yeah.
Yeah. KFC, you
Thank
let me
you,
down.
What?
You let me down with that.
That's on film. They're never going to let you back in.
There goes the sponsorship.
Yeah.
Mate.
How we've got to get your bacon, your Zinger Box sponsorship.
Dude, if we got a Zinger Box sponsorship for Bettertotes and Gardens, that'd be sick. Can we turn our kitchen to a KFC?
Hey?
Can we turn the kitchen
Sure.
to a KFC?
That's what one of the plans was, wasn't it? You happy now? Can we go back to work?
Yeah, let's go back to work.
Do you reckon I can do this without instructions?
I hope so.
Are you going to try?
Better give it a go.
Say that, Shane.
Hey?
Say that.
Welcome.
Speak your best Italian.
You speak yours.
You think you can break a zip tie, do you?
Hey?
You reckon you can break a zip tie, you reckon?
I reckon so.
No.
You?
No, no, zip ties are the strongest thing in the world. I'd put my faith in a zip tie if I
Would ya?
needed to, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see how we go here. What are you saying? What's the strongest thing in the world?
Zip ties. So apparently Shane.
That's right.
You want to clean the shell first?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. That's what I just said. Or should I start from the top down? Yeah.
That was amazing. Thank you so much. Oh, sorry.
You did a good deed for your day, mate.
I
Yeah.
realized you were filming.
It's alright.
That's all good. He's only doing just filming.
So KFC can make everyone's Monday better.
Yeah.
Which ones were they? You marked them?
And mark them down, thinking.
The ones that said upstairs were the ones that were in the iPod connection.
Put the iPod connection on the right one.
Yep, that's where the tape was on the other one. Do you want to check,
Sure.
do you want to check the photo?
I'm just reading this one. And yeah. Nah,
It is the right one, isn't it?
No.
Next one over.
it's the next one over, bud.
Oh.
What are you doing? Right. Here we do this.
What are you trying to do, Shane?
Trying to connect to this fucking network that's meant to be fucking there. But guess what?
What?
It's not fucking there. Join. This is gonna fucking.
Unable to join. Alright, I'm gonna try this.
Don't fucking touch. Who's got an Oppo? You have an Oppo?
What's a what? An Oppo. Hey, Sprout.
Yeah. That is not it.
No. The WXC50 looks the same on the thing, I'm pretty sure.
Well, this is it. Yeah, that's fucking it.
Go back to the WXC50
Please
though.
power on your audio device. It's fucking powered on. Then press.
Wait,
the-
is the audio? Yeah, audio device is
press and
powered on.
hold button for 5 seconds. On your
Which button? Connect?
connect.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, I can count.
You selling that real every 2 seconds of the video episode. Oh, yeah. I can do that.
I can read.
Kidding.
Wait, what? All this shit at the back wasn't there earlier.
No, there's don't worry about that.
That Colours by Ice-T they're listening to.
It's Rachel.
Colours, colours, colours. I'm a nightmare walking, psychopath talking.
Really goes for copyright.
Uh-oh. Can I try?
Hey,
Can I try? I have a feeling this is it.
you're in this zip, big
This
dog.
is it.
Stay there. Just wait. I know what it is.
Wait, is that in Wi-Fi or Bluetooth?
Just wait. Don't get ahead of yourself. Go to the Bluetooth.
I'm already onto it. I'm already onto it. See, look at that. Connected. Now you go this here. Yeah, look at this.
Hold
Look
on,
at that.
hold on. Just wait. Alright, we're connected via Bluetooth.
Yep.
Alright, now we're going to connect via the internet.
Alright, I'm a come in clutch. I'm gonna sort this out while Shane's gone. Alright. Turned on. Set up.
You got it? No. What are you doing?
I'm doing coming in clutch and sorting it out while you're
Coming in clutch?
toilet, yeah.
Oh, good.
You guys are yapping away now, but once I've got this done, you guys are gonna be thanking me.
I'm just trying to keep count of how many guys you say. I know how to do it. Because I think I know what I'm at to do.
What, the counter if I know how to do it?
I know how to do it.
See?
I don't know what you've done, Shane. You made it upset or something. So it says to go to the settings and do it. Alright, I'm a come in clutch. I'm gonna sort this out while Shane's gone.
Alright, now turn it.
No, Shane turned the camera off. Oh no, Shane actually.
I didn't turn the camera off, you lying bastard.
Alright, we ran out of footage space on the SD card.
Yeah.
Right as we figured it out, so
Exactly as we figured it out.
we got this thing working. Shane was trying to figure out turn on to Wi-Fi, but we already had it connected on Bluetooth. He didn't realise.
It wasn't connected on Bluetooth.
Yeah, because I clicked connect and it was connected.
No.
And then you were sitting there trying to connect the Wi-Fi when the Bluetooth was already connected.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh.
That went on for like 5 minutes.
Tell them what the real problem was.
Yeah, it wasn't connected. You were trying to connect it to Wi-Fi.
No.
What was the real problem? This.
Go over.
That.
Those two. We had the masters down.
Yeah, but no, originally, you were trying to connect to the Wi-Fi when it was already connected to the Bluetooth.
It wasn't connected to the Bluetooth.
Yeah, no, because I sent it to you, I'm like, I sent it to the Bluetooth. Try it on Bluetooth. And then we tried it on Bluetooth and music started playing. Then we turned the masters up.
That was the masters.
Anyway, we got it working.
The masters were down. But yeah, you did connect it to the Bluetooth.
Exactly, yeah, my point.
After
my point.
after I put it on the right setting on the back of it.
Yeah, I showed you it with the
You
settings.
showed me the
I showed you the
settings, I
settings.
put it out.
You don't even point
It's
the
a
camera. You point the
team-
camera at the fucking
It's on you. It's team effort. But anyway,
Quick play.
quick play.
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. But we haven't tested it yet, have we?
No, I don't think we have, no.
No. Then I have to edit into like 5-second blocks there.
Yeah.
So you got it.
Yeah, we got it.
You got it. You did. You found the button on the back.
Yeah. It's gonna crash any second. Any second.
It's not. I'm telling you. I've got this worked out.
Oh, what the f? There you go.
What's this?
What'd you do differently?